Yeah.
One is fixing as well.
Just a basic hydro here. Also a ThyssenKrupp Aurora.
That was funny.
And this one only serves 3 stories.
Why not give this thing a ride though?
Yeah. That buzz. It's the good old Dover buzz.
Yep. Didn't it shine? Huh?
It didn't that time.
Didn't.
Huh. So there's your certificate.
There's your one. Yep, inspected.
Yeah.
This is the USF and T, whatever that stands for.
I think this is the business partnership building.
Probably. Or it's USF Connect.
Yeah, I think that's like one of the programs they have here.
And that's it.
That's it. So again, same call station, but look how tall that elevator is. It's probably, I don't know, how tall is that?
Ride.
Yeah, it's probably like 10 feet tall.
I don't even feel like I'm moving right now.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
I wouldn't say smooth, I'd say sneaky.
Yeah.
Because it kind of freaks me out.
Okay, well I felt it move a little there, but if it weren't for that, I might have not have even known we were moving. And of course the indicator and the buzz.
That sounds promising. Really, really promising.
Yeah. So again, there's your padding. There's a certificate on your left, like behind the padding.
Yep.
Yeah, right
Inspected.
there. You can see this is what the cab looks like under the padding.
It's a pretty basic one.
Yeah,
Honestly, so.
pretty basic, but it's still different from the other one.
Under level will not go out.
Yeah.
There it goes, and thank you for being a promising elder and serving your duties.
That's it.